Hey everybody, Paul Johnson, founder of Massview and owner of multiple 6- and 7-figure physical product businesses. I really want to welcome you to this channel, and I'm super excited to share with you all the amazing things that we're working on. This channel is really dedicated to you, to helping you succeed and grow your physical product business. Whether you're just getting started and you've never sold a thing online before, or you're approaching 7, 8, or even 9 figures of selling online, I think we have something here for you that is going to help you. We're going to give you awesome tips and tricks that are going to show you how to make more money, especially selling on Amazon. And we're also documenting our journeys and our experiments and what we're doing. We have a series called New Mogul that actually is a journey of us building an entire Amazon business from scratch. And I have some amazing, cool new projects in store for you as well. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get all this amazing content that we're creating. We're putting it out here for you 100% free, awesome content that you would normally have to pay thousands of dollars for right here on this YouTube channel. And if you need anything, if you have questions about anything, hit us up in the comments, message me. I'm here for you. I want to see you succeed, and I'm excited to have you become part of this channel. Thanks.